Dive into the heart of Central America and discover the splendid scenery that Panama has to offer. This enchanting country, a slender bridge of land connecting North and South America, boasts a diverse landscape teeming with vibrant wildlife, lush forests, stunning beaches, and a rich cultural heritage. From the bustling city life to the serene countryside, Panama's beauty is as varied as it is mesmerizing. So fasten your seatbelts, everyone. Join us as we explore the breathtaking landscapes of Panama. Start your journey in Panama's lush rainforests, home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. Picture this, a land teeming with life, where tall trees reach for the sky, their leaves forming a verdant canopy. This is Panama's rainforest, a place of remarkable biodiversity. Here you'll find more than 1,000 different species of plants, including towering mahogany trees, whimsical orchids, and the iconic Panama hat palm. But flora is just half the story. Panama's rainforests are a buzzing metropolis of wildlife, home to a wide assortment of creatures. From the majestic harpy eagle soaring through the skies, to the elusive jaguar prowling in the undergrowth, each animal plays a crucial role in this intricate ecosystem. Let's delve deeper. Picture yourself on a guided tour, threading your way through the undergrowth. You hear a rustling in the trees above, and there it is, a family of howler monkeys, their calls echoing through the forest. As you move further, you might catch a glimpse of the colorful quetzal or the tiny poison dart frog, its vibrant hues a stark contrast against the earthy forest floor. And it's not just animals and plants. The rainforests of Panama are also home to indigenous tribes like the Embera and Cuna. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Visiting them offers a unique insight into their rich cultural heritage and the ancient traditions they uphold. But the rainforests are more than just a tourist destination. They are the lungs of our planet, vital in combating climate change. The dense foliage absorbs carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen and playing a key role in maintaining our global climate balance. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast, a bird lover, or just someone seeking a unique travel experience, Panama's rainforests offer something for everyone. Each visit, each encounter, each step taken under the leafy canopy is a step into the heart of nature, a step towards understanding our planet a little better. The rainforests of Panama are truly a nature lover's paradise. Move from the dense rainforest to the stunning beaches that line Panama's coast. This is a place where crystal-clear waters kiss the white sandy shores, where the golden sun lights up the day and the gentle moonlight paints the night. A place where every wave tells a story and every grain of sand holds a memory. Panama's beaches are a spectacle to behold, a tapestry of nature's finest work. They're more than just stretches of sand, they're slices of paradise, each with its own unique charm. From the tranquil beaches of Bocas del Toro, where time seems to slow down, to the vibrant shores of Playa Coronado, teeming with life and energy, each beach offers a unique experience, a different adventure. The waters here are as clear as a dream. Dive beneath the surface and you're welcomed into a world of vibrant corals and exotic marine life. It's like peering into a living kaleidoscope, where colors dance and shapes shift with every passing moment. You may even spot a playful dolphin or a majestic sea turtle if you're lucky. The beaches of Panama aren't just for relaxation. They're playgrounds for adventure seekers. From surfing on the high waves of Santa Catalina to snorkeling in the calm waters of San Blas, there's always something exhilarating to do. And if you're not much of an adrenaline junkie, you can always build sandcastles, collect seashells, or simply bask in the warmth of the sun. And let's not forget about the beachside eateries serving up tantalizing seafood fresh from the ocean. Imagine savoring a delicious meal while your toes play with the sand and the ocean breeze ruffles your hair. It's a sensory experience you won't easily forget. Panama's beaches are more than just destinations. They're experiences. They're places where you can leave your worries behind and simply enjoy the beauty that surrounds you. They're places where you can feel the sand between your toes, the sun on your skin, and the sea in your soul. Panama's beaches offer a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. No visit to Panama is complete without witnessing the marvel of engineering that is the Panama Canal. This iconic waterway is more than just a passage between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It's a symbol of human perseverance and a testament to the power of human innovation. The Panama Canal's story begins in the late 19th century, when the French first attempted to construct the canal. Despite their best efforts, they were defeated by the harsh terrain, tropical diseases, and a lack of technology. But failure didn't deter the ambition to connect the two oceans. In the early 20th century, the United States took up the challenge, and after 10 long years, the canal was finally completed in 1914. This 50-mile-long canal literally reshaped the world's trade routes. No longer did ships need to undertake the treacherous journey around the tip of South America, saving them thousands of miles and countless days. It was a game-changer in global commerce, ushering in a new era of trade and transportation. But the Panama Canal isn't just a hub of global trade, it's also a stunning spectacle to behold. As you watch massive ships navigate through the locks with precision, it's hard not to be awed by the sheer scale of it all. The surrounding lush landscape and the serene waterway present a breathtaking panorama that is a photographer's dream. The canal also offers a unique opportunity for wildlife spotting. The surrounding rainforest is home to a variety of wildlife species, including capuchin monkeys, sloths, and a plethora of bird species. So while the ships are an attraction in their own right, the canal's natural beauty and rich biodiversity add an exciting dimension to the experience. The Panama Canal is more than just a man-made marvel. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, and a significant part of Panama's history and identity. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, where human achievement meets natural beauty, and where every visitor is left with a sense of wonder and admiration. The Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination. A visit to this historic waterway is not just a journey through a canal, but a journey through history, nature, and human achievement. After exploring the natural and historic wonders, immerse yourself in the vibrant city life of Panama City. This metropolis is a captivating blend of the old and the new, where skyscrapers cast long shadows over cobblestone streets that echo with history. Panama City is a cultural melting pot, where indigenous traditions fuse with international influences to create a unique urban tapestry. As you wander through the city, you'll witness this fusion in every corner, from the brightly painted murals that tell stories of the city's past, to the colorful markets bustling with a mix of native and global products. Every facet of Panama City is an expression of its rich cultural blend. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a playground of lights and music. The nightlife in Panama City is as diverse as its culture. From the pulsating rhythms of salsa that spill from the clubs in the historic district of Casco Viejo, to the sophisticated jazz lounges and high-energy dance clubs in the modern parts of the city, there's something to match every mood and taste. And let's not forget the cuisine. The city's culinary scene is a gastronomic adventure, waiting to tantalize your taste buds. From the traditional Panamanian dishes like sancocho and ceviche, served in family-run fondas, to the innovative fusion cuisine in chic restaurants, every meal is a celebration of the city's cultural diversity. Shopping enthusiasts will find joy in the city's markets, where you can haggle for traditional handicrafts, fresh produce, and unique souvenirs. The Mercado de Mariscos, the city's vibrant seafood market, is a must-visit for seafood lovers. Here you can savor the freshest catch of the day, cooked to perfection in traditional Panamanian style. Panama City's vibrant life offers a delightful end to your Panamanian journey. As you soak in the city's energy, you'll find that Panama City is not just a destination, but an experience, a spectacle of sights, sounds, and flavors that leave a lasting impression long after your journey ends. Panama, with its diverse landscapes and vibrant city life, offers something for every traveler. We've taken you on a journey through lush rainforests teeming with exotic wildlife, where every turn reveals a new spectacle of nature's grandeur. We've walked along pristine beaches where the sun paints the sky in brilliant hues as it dips below the horizon, and the rhythm of the waves whispers stories of far-off adventures. We've marveled at the historic Panama Canal, a testament to human ingenuity and determination, where ships from around the globe converge in a dance of commerce and connection. And we've immersed ourselves in the vibrant city life where the past and present intertwine in a symphony of sights, sounds, and flavors. Each of these diverse settings is a piece of the rich tapestry that makes Panama such a fascinating destination. But remember, this is just a glimpse of what this beautiful country has to offer. There are still countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique charm and story to tell. Which part of the world do you want us to explore next? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to bring you more amazing content.